how's it going? No problem. The remote stopped working or something?
So, I'm a clumsy student. I did drop this, like, a few days ago. And then, yeah, I, like, popped it open, and that I don't think that thing's coming back to life. I tried, but I think I kind of broke it.
You're missing the board.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Okay.
The ends are not in there anymore.
Huh? Yeah. Did you see it anywhere on the floor?
You know, I didn't.
Okay. Yeah. All right, we'll make you a new one. I gotta generate this remote really fast, and then we'll program it. All right, you need. Let's see. There's two different ones, of course. It's not a GT, is it?
No.
No. Okay, regular Elantra.
Just an ST.
All right, so you need Oscar 423T. So we're gonna go. Skip. Vehicle remote. Hyundai. Elantra. Oh, we need 423T. Oscar, right here. You can see it right there on the bottom. I'm gonna generate. Need that. Let's plug in. See, the board looks like that.
Oh yeah, that's not in there.
It's not.
No.
It happened at home or on the street?
I was in between meetings and like dropped it, so honestly it was my fault for rushing and
I see.
realizing that it like fell out.
Gotcha. So in the public somewhere.
Yeah.
All right, guys, if you're in downtown Phoenix and you'll find her remote, let me know. I'll add it back in for free. Got to do something, right? We can start doing this while I'm doing that. I keep hitting the wrong button. Let's close that. Almost done. Complete. All right, now we're gonna put a battery in. Program it to the car. Yeah, if you want, you can take my channel off the side of my van.
I was just about to say it was.
I'm looking for subscribers always. Goes in there. Two heads. Got a light, that's good. All right, let's go program into your car. OBD. All right, keep on that. So which part of the government?
I work for the Greater Phoenix Chamber of Commerce, so we represent like businesses in the Metro Valley area.
Oh,
so
nice.
I have about 2,400 members that I advocate on behalf of.
Buy Google 5-star reviews. Buy. That's a paid advertisement.
Oh wow.
This is a paid advertisement.
Oh yeah, because it all says like it's sponsored, right?
See
Yeah.
that? So Google's charging money to, for fake reviews, basically.
Interesting.
And then they're forcing an honest business to compete against that. So
That's
you can run a
crazy.
dishonest company
Yeah.
and, buy 2,000 fake reviews and then
Yeah.
force me to compete against that, and they drag up the advertising cost.
Wow, that's nuts.
Yeah. Let me program this remote. All right, remote system. Oh, it's too hot. Remote control learning. Remote control learning. Is it 17? I don't know. What'd she say, 16? 16, 17. It should all be the same. Uh-oh, we're not communicating. What's going on over here? Why don't we just door me open? I'm gonna close it and come back in. Doesn't usually take that long. Just read our VIN, go that way. Maybe it's a 17. I think it's a 17 now that if that's the case, I generated the wrong remote. But we'll find out. It's 16, well 17, but let's see what it says. USA, USA, ELANTRA, yes, bladed key. I think I did a 16 remote, I don't know. Control unit, remote system, remote control learning. Okay, ignition on and then off, remove the key. Okay. There we go, programming success. Next one now. All right, we're out of here.